Now, student, we are discussing about the vectors. In vectors, we have discussed about the dot product, the cross product. Now, the some important parts of some important questions and results from the vector are that in a cross product, A cross B is equal to mod A mod B sine theta n cap. This n cap is the perpendicular in the direction of A cross B. Now, next is the value of n cap. N cap is always mod A cross B upon mod A mod B. Mod A mod B. Now, next, it does not follow commutative law. That means A cross B does not equal to B cross A, because A cross B is always equal to minus of B cross A. How it happened that this is A, this is B. Now applying right hand curve rule. So if you go A to B, then the perpendicular in the direction this. And if you go from B to A, this is B, this is A. So the unit vector is downward, which is opposite to the first vector. That means A cross B is negative of always negative of B cross A. And in cross product, I cross I is equal to J cross J is equal to K cross K is always 1, and I cross is always 0, because I cross I is equal to J cross J is equal to K cross K, always 1. Why? I, J, K. They are the perpendicular axis, and angle between them is 90 degree. And we know the formula of I cross I will be mod I sine 90 n cap. Mod I is 1, mod I is 1, sine 90 is 1, and the direction is perpendicular, which is equal to j cap, and mod j cap is also 1. So all the values are 1. So I cross I equal to 1, j cross j equal to 1, k cross k equal to, sine 0 will be here. So all thing will be 0. So which is equal to 0. Okay, sorry, my mistake. And next, I cross j or j I cross k, I cross j. Now see here, I cross j. I cross j is mod j sine 90 and n cap. What is n cap? Which is perpendicular to both I and j. That means k cap. So I is 1 into 1 into 1 into k cap. So I cross j is k cap. I cross k is minus j cap. Similarly, j cross k is I cap, and j cross I is minus k cap. Next, k cross I is j cap, and k cross j is minus I cap. Let's remember one thing. This is a circular part. First I, then j, then k. Now multiply in these in the clockwise direction. I cross j, you will get k. J cross k, you will get I. K cross I, you will get j. Okay. I cross j, you will get k. J cross k, you will get I cap. And k cross I, you will get j cap. But if you move in the backward direction, that means in anti-clockwise direction, so j cross I is negative of minus k, because you are moving in anti-clockwise direction. but the perpendicular is in opposite direction with them. Okay, and k cross j, j cross I is minus k, I cross k is minus j, I cross k is minus j, and j cross k, I cross j and k cross j, k cross j is minus I cap. So these are the property of cross product. Now next thing is area of triangle with side A and B. Area of triangle with adjacent sides, with adjacent sides A vector and B vector will be half mod A cross B. Now next, area of triangle ABC. If A vector, comma B vector, comma C vector are the position vectors, are the position vectors of A, B, C respectively, then the vector area, then the vector area of the triangle ABC is half of half of B cross C plus C cross A plus A cross B. Okay, this is the condition that if A, B, C are the position vector of ABC, then the value of the area of the triangle ABC is half B cross C plus C cross A plus A cross B. Now next thing is if A vector, B vector, C vector position vector are the position vectors of ABC, and ABC are collinear. Collinear means they are on the same line. That means they does not include and does not enclose any triangle. So the value will be zero. That means all this value will become zero. Delta equal to zero. That means half B cross C plus C cross A plus A cross B equal to zero. If this 2 multiply with that side, so A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A is 0. C cross A is 0. Next identity is if ABCD is a parallelogram, if ABCD is a parallelogram and AB equal to A vector, comma BC equal to B vector, that means they are the adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then the area of parallelogram is then the area of parallelogram will be mod A cross B if the sides are given A and B. Now, the next condition is if ABCD is a parallelogram, and its diagonals are given, and its diagonals are A vector and B vector. In the first case, A vector and B vector are sides. In this case, A vector and B vector are the diagonals. So the area of parallelogram with the diagonal is half A cross B. Okay. So these are the relation. Now next, projection of vector A on B. Projection of vector A on B. If a vector A is projected on B, then the value will be A dot B upon mod B. Similarly, if a projection of vector B on A, that means B is projected on A, on which we have projected, it will came in a denominator with modulus. Okay, so B vector dot A vector upon mod A vector. Okay, and these all are the that. Now the question is evaluate A cross B cross C plus B cross C cross A, B cross C cross A plus C cross A cross B, C cross A cross B. Now see here the solution. We know that A, the given part is A cross B plus C, A cross B plus C and B cross C plus A. A cross B plus C, B cross C plus A, C cross A vector plus B vector. So the part is uh, A cross B vector plus C vector plus B cross C vector plus A vector plus C cross A vector plus B vector. C cross A vector plus B vector. Now multiply inside. So A cross B plus A cross C. Now in the second part, the cross product will also distributive. So B cross C plus B cross A. In last part, C cross A plus C cross B. A cross B is written as A cross B. Cross C is written as A cross C, and B cross C is written as B cross C. But B cross A can be written as minus A cross B, because we know that A cross B is always equal to minus B cross A. So we can write B cross A as minus of A cross B. Similarly, we can write A cross C cross A as minus of A cross C, and we can write C cross B as minus of B cross C. So B cross C will be cancelled, A cross B will be cancelled, A cross C will be cancelled. So the answer will be 0. So this is the answer. Now the next question is find the vector, find the vector area of the parallelogram, area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are A vector is equal to minus I cap plus k cap and B vector equal to 2j cap minus k cap. So the area of parallelogram with adjacent side with adjacent sides A vector and B vector will be mod of A cross B. So firstly find the A cross B. A is minus I plus K and B is 2j minus K. So A cross B is I, J or K. In first I is minus 1, J is 0, K is 1, B is 2j, it is minus 1, is 0. So its value will be I cap cross multiply 0 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is minus 2, minus j cap minus 1 to minus 1 will be 1 and 0 minus 1 will be 0 plus k cap minus 2 and minus 0. Okay, so minus 2i minus j minus 2k will be the value of A cross B, and the value of mod A cross B is minus 2i minus j minus 2k, and the value of mod A cross B is under root the coefficient of I whole square plus the coefficient of j whole square plus the coefficient of k whole square. That means 2 square is 4 plus 1 plus 4, which is equal to 9. Under root 9 means 3 square unit will be the answer of the question. Question number angle between them also. If A plus 2 plus B plus C is equal to A cross B plus B cross C, C cross A. Just wait, huh? Now the next question is 2A cross C minus 2A cross C minus A cross C. Question is if A vector plus 2b vector plus 3c vector is equal to 0 vector, then then show that A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A is always equal to 2 times of A cross B. So this is also important question which come in your previous year. Now how you can solve it? Uh, we know that A vector plus 2b vector, A vector plus 2b vector plus 3c vector equal to 0. Multiply, this will be equation first. Multiply both side. Multiply by c vector, equation first. So it will become A cross C plus 2 B cross C plus 3 C cross C is equal to 0 cross is 0. Multiply both side by C cross by C vector. Multiply both side by C vector. Multiply both side by C vector. This is equal to 0 into C is 0. We know that A cross A is always 0 because they have the same angle theta equal to 0 degree. So this is equal to 0. So A vector cross C vector is equal to 2 times of B vector plus C vector. So 2 times of B vector cross C vector is equal to minus of A cross C vector. So B vector cross C vector is equal to minus of 1 upon 2 A cross C vector. So B cross C is equal to minus of half A cross C. And we can write A cross C as minus of C cross A. So in place of C cross A, I can write minus of A cross, sorry, in place of A cross C, I can write minus of C cross A. So B cross C is equal to B cross C is equal to half of C cross A. It is equation second. So this will become equation second. Now again, the given part is A vector plus 2b vector plus 3c vector from equation first is equal to 0. Now multiply both side by A vector. Multiply both side by A vector. Now what will happen? A cross A plus 2 times of B cross A plus 3 times of C cross A. We know that the value of A cross A is always 0. So 0 cross A. So this is 0 plus 2B cross A. Okay. So 2 times of B cross A is equal plus 3 times of C cross A equal to 0. If 2B cross A come toward right hand side, so the value of 3 times of C cross A is equal to minus 2 times of B cross A. Again, B cross A is minus of A cross B. So I can write it as 2 times of A vector cross B vector is equal to 3 times of C vector cross A vector. Okay. Now, what is given in the question? This is equation third. This will become equation third. Now, what is given in the question? That we have to show A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A as 2 times of A cross B. So taking LHS A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. Taking LHS A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. B cross C plus C cross A. From equation second, I can write B cross C as half of C. So A cross B is equal to, sorry, A cross B plus from equation second, it can be written as C cross A by 2 plus C cross A. If I take C cross A common here, so I will get A cross B plus C cross A, and the common part is 1 upon 2 plus 1. That means 3 by 2. E cross A into 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And 3 by 2 is from equation second. 3 by 2 is A cross B. So A cross B, and from equation second. Now from equation third, 3C cross A by 2 is equal to A cross B. So A cross B plus A cross B is equal to 2 times of A cross B, which is equal to RHS. So this is our question. And the question is, next question is, if A vector equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, B vector is equal to I plus 2j plus k, C vector is equal to 3i plus j, and A plus A vector plus t times of B vector is perpendicular to C vector, then find the value of t. So firstly find the value of A vector plus t times of B vector. So A vector plus t times of B vector is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k plus t times of B vector. That means I plus 2j plus k. So I plus ti. That means 1 plus t I cap, 2 plus 2tj cap, and 3 plus t k cap. This is the value of A vector plus t times of b vector. And according to question, a vector plus t times of b vector is perpendicular to c vector. That means their dot product will also become 0. So a vector plus tb vector is 1 plus t times of I cap plus 2 plus 2t times of j cap plus 3 plus t times of k cap, and the c vector is 3i plus j, 3i plus j. Only I term will be multiplied with I term, j term will be multiplied with j term. So 3 into 1 plus 2, 1 plus t, 3 into 1 plus t plus j into 2 plus 2t, 1 into 2 plus 2t is equal to 0. So 3 plus 3t plus 2 plus 2t is equal to 0. So 2t plus 3t is equal to 5t plus 5 equal to 0. So t is equal to minus 5 by 5, which is equal to minus 1. So the value of t will be minus 1. Now one more important part here. One more formula for projection of B along A, or you can write it as uh, orthogonal orthogonal projection of B vector on A vector has formula B vector dot A vector times of A vector upon mod A square. So this is also the formula of projection of, one more topic is left in this chapter, the projection of vector B along A, or the orthogonal projection of B vector on A vector is B dot A into A upon mod A square. Now the question is, if A vector is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k cap, comma, B vector is equal to 5i minus 3j plus k cap, then find projection of B vector along A vector. So the formula of projection of B vector along A vector is, in the formula, projection of B vector along A vector is B vector dot A vector into A vector upon mod A square. Mod square. From this part, you will get the value in the vectors, and from the previous part, projection of vector A on B, you will get the value in the terms of magnitude. So projection of B vector along A vector is B dot A upon B dot A into A upon mod A square. So B dot A is 5i minus 3j plus k into 2i plus j plus 2k into A vector is 2i plus j plus 2k, and the value of mod A square is under root 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square square. I mean, square root is current by under root. So 4 plus 1, 5. Oh, Plus 4, 9. So the value will become 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 10 minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 2 into 2i plus j plus 2k, and then by 4 plus 1 plus 4, which will become 9. So 12 minus 3 is also 9. So 9 upon 9 into 2i plus j plus 2k. 2i plus j plus 2k. So 9 will be cancelled by 9. Value will become 2i plus j plus 2k. So this is the value of projection of vector B on A. Now the next question is, now the next question is, if A vector is equal to 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, and B vector is equal to 2 comma minus 3 comma 1, then find the then find the orthogonal projection of vector A, projection of B on A. That means B is projected on A. Similarly, we have to find the orthogonal projection is same. The value of orthogonal projection is B dot A vector upon mod A whole square. The value of B is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap, and the value of A vector will be I minus j minus k cap. I minus j minus k cap, and the value of A vector is I minus j minus k upon under root of 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. So 2 into 1 will become 2, minus 3 into minus 3 will become 3, 1 minus 1 will become minus 1, and here I minus j minus k, I minus j minus k upon uh, square. So under root will be cut by under root upon 3. So it will become 4 upon 3 times 2 plus 3, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 upon 3 times of minus I minus j minus k cap. So this is the value of the orthogonal projection of vector A on B. Correct? Now the next and the last topic will be, no, it will be next topic. The internal division of a vector. Internal division. Suppose this is the vector A and vector B, the position vector of point A and B. Okay, and suppose a point come here, let's say P, which divide the line, the vector joining the line in the ratio M ratio N. So the value of the coordinates of P is m times of A vector plus n times of B vector upon m plus n, if it divides it internally. And if it divides it externally, then the value of external division is, the value of external division is, suppose these are the points. This is A vector, this is B vector, And let's suppose a point Q come here, which divide the line in the ratio m ratio n. So the coordinate of point Q will be m a vector minus n b vector upon m minus n. Okay. So these are the formulas for internal and external division of the point. So the question is the position vector, the position vector, the position vectors of A and B are 2i plus j minus k and I plus 2j plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k respectively. Find the position vector of a point. Find the position vector of a point which divide the line segment AB in the ratio, the line segment AB in the ratio 2 ratio 3. Line segment AB in the ratio 2 ratio 3. In the ratio 2 ratio 3. Now the solution of this part will be simply 2i plus j minus k into 2 and I plus 2j plus 3k into 3 upon 2 plus 3. So 2i plus j minus k times of 2 plus I plus 2j plus 3k times of 3 upon 2 plus 3. So 2 into 2, that means 4i plus 2j minus 2k plus 3i plus 6j plus 9k upon 2 plus 3 is 5. So 4i plus 3i will become 7i plus 8j plus 7k by 5 will be the answer. That means 7 upon 5 I cap plus 8 upon 5 j cap plus 7 upon 5 k cap will be the answer. EB vector plus EC. Now the question is, if A, B, C, D, E, F, R is a regular hexagon, is a regular hexagon, is a regular hexagon, show that AB vector plus AC vector plus AD vector plus EA vector plus FA vector is equal to 4 times of AB vector. 4 times of AB vector. Let us draw hexagon. Suppose this will be the hexagon. Hexagon means a figure which has 6 sides. Okay. Sorry, this will become octagon. This is hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, first is AB vector plus AC vector plus AD vector. Now, AC vector is this one. So, AC vector is AB vector plus BC vector. So, we can write AC vector as AB vector plus BC vector and AD vector as, and we can write AD vector as AC plus CD, or two times of BC vector. C plus CD. Okay, okay. And in hexagon, we know that the middle side is two times of the these sides. So AD equal to two times of BC vector. But from figure, AD vector is equal to AC vector plus CD vector. So AD vector is equal to AC vector plus CD vector. So AC vector plus CD vector is equal to two times of BC vector, and AC vector is equal to AB vector plus BC vector. So AB vector plus BC vector plus CD vector is equal to two times of BC vector. So the CD vector, which is equal to 2 BC minus BC vector, which will become BC vector minus AB vector. So this is the value of CD vector. Now DE vector is negative of AB vector. Means if you go in this side, so DE vector is negative of AB vector. DE vector is negative of AB vector, and similarly EF vector is negative of minus BC vector. EF vector is negative of minus BF vector, and FA vector is negative of minus of CD vector. Now the value of AB vector plus AC vector plus AD vector plus EA vector plus FA vector is equal to, which is given in the question, AB vector plus AC vector plus AD vector plus EA vector plus FA vector. Okay. Now the value of AB vector is AB vector, and the value of AC vector is AB vector plus CD vector. AB vector is equal to AB vector. AC vector is equal to AB vector plus BC vector, and AD vector is equal to AD vector in the question. AD vector is two times of BC vector. So two times of BC vector plus EA vector. EA vector is equal to EA vector is equal to negative of BC vector. So minus BC vector, and FA vector is negative of CD vector. FA vector is negative of CD vector. CD vector is BC vector minus AB vector. So the value of FA vector will be minus BC vector plus AB vector. Now, if you open, so you will get AB plus AB, which is equal to two times of AB vector plus BC vector plus two times of BC vector. That means 3 BC vector minus BC, which became minus 2 BC vector plus AB vector. Maybe this will be CD vector. I think this will be CD vector. The question is misprint in the book. AD equal to CD vector. To CD, that means BC minus AB. BC minus AB. Yes, In book, there will be a misprint. This will not become CD. This will become this will not become AD. This will become CD vector. So if you put here CD vector, if you put here CD vector, so the value of CD vector is BC vector minus AB vector. So BC vector minus AB vector. So you will get value AB is cancelled by AB, BC is cancelled by BC. So AB plus AB, 2AB, AB equal to minus BC vector. Okay. AB vector plus AB vector, 2AB vector, BC vector is be cancelled by BC vector. So the answer will be 2AB vector. So there will be a misprint in the question in your book. It will become two times. Okay. So this is your question. So student, that's all are the important question of the vector which I have discussed, which came in your which had came in your previous year. Now from the next class, I will discuss the question about 3D and plane, 3D plane and triple product. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you everyone.